2011 Ford F-150 5.0 liter XL. Still got the stock factory converters there and there. Then we did true duals all the way back, and we did it in 2-inch so it can clap, and we dumped it right there with dump downs, turn downs, whatever you want to call them, right there. And you always want to do that crossover to make up for that, for the pipe, because one will be shorter than the other, but when you cross them over like that, it equalizes the length and gives a more smooth sound, complete sound. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hold on, Dave. That's beast mode to the max right there. Hell yeah. Back it up. Yeah, baby. Ford F-150 right there.